everyone, my name is Przemek and I would like to review today the new camera Nikon 5200 which come with the kit, will come with the lens from 18mm to the 100-05. So let me open the box for you guys. So in the box we've got the invoice with the price, that's on the bumper wrap, and then here we go. This is a Nikon d5200. That looks strange. They say it's a kit. Yeah, that's fine. And here we've got a lens. Okay. Oh yeah, so over here that was the kit lens from 18 to 55mm, yeah. I just ordered different one, the 100, 105, what I'll show you the little bit later on, yeah. Okay, so in the box we've got the Nikon CD-ROM, user manual book, how to use, and then there are two boxes as well, yeah. Okay, so in that one box there are two small boxes, one is a white. Let me open to have a look. Here we've got a socket plug, Nikon strap, and cable. Yeah, this one that looks like is a small HDMI cable, or you can connect with your TV, yeah, if you got LCD. And then we've got the USB cable. I don't know what is this. Some small piece of plastic. Yeah, I don't know obviously what is this. I'm gonna check in the manual book later on. It's just a small piece of plastic, yeah. So I will check later and let you know, guys, what is it. Okay, next one we've got the charger. Yeah, so the charger that looks like my previous camera, that was Nikon D40X. So the charger looks exactly the same. Okay, and then we've got this Nikon battery. Nice, it was the same with the previous camera. But we'll see, I checked because I still got over there. It's on the sale on eBay. And just tied up a little bit everything. Okay, so you see, next box has a camera. Let me open it for you guys. Okay, nothing else. Okay, here we've got the camera. Yep, Nikon 5200, that's what I said from the beginning. How that looks like. Plastic cup. PLC. Cool, pretty cool. Yep, let me see the lens now. The other box. The other box, including lens, with the cover, with the cap, obviously, the cap on the back as well. And the lens come with little bag for it. Yeah, well, it feels very well. Very nice. Nikon. Yeah. And the extra thing to add the lens chassis. Yep, so here we go. Lens, this. Camera. Charger. Battery. Plug charger. Plug socket, sorry. HDMI cable, connect with TV, USB cable, manual book, CD-ROM. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll just put a battery for the charge and I'll just try the new camera. When I record any movie or something, I'll just put on YouTube to show you guys how that looks like. And just the one more thing, what I choose that lens, yeah, that lens is the Nikon Nikkor from 80mm to 105mm, yeah, and that lens, including the option, is a VR, so that means the vibration reduct, so that means is a very good from from beginner to record the movies when you're gonna use the zoom in, so the video not gonna be that much shaking here. I just when I do some tests I just put the both of them so you can see what the difference is, but that option is very cool for now, and I think it's one of the best lens which you can get in the kit. It come with the Nikon for a good price, obviously, because you can just just do some portrait pictures, or you can record the videos, you can just zoom in if you do some pictures. And yeah, so I think that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and just see you soon then. Bye bye.